Hello guys, now we are going to learn Wireshark Lab on 802.level, which is commonly known as Wi-Fi. Present generation we are using the Wi-Fi protocol which was invented by IEEE members, and it was a research paper of document of 802.11. We will say it as Wi-Fi. Here first download this folder. I have already downloaded this folder because from this folder we are going to extract the Wireshark packet. I have already downloaded. Here you may see Wireshark traces. Now just open Wireshark. Now just open the Wireshark. Wireshark. We have already downloaded the traces file. Now just open that traces file. You may see here Wireshark 802-level. This is Wi-Fi packet catcher file. Now we will solve those questions. Here this is everything introduction about it. Here they are asked what are the SSIDs of the two access points that are issuing most of the backend frames in this trace. Here just select first backend frames. Before it we need SN. Here as you see that SSN, SN284, SN285. Just we need first one two. So filter until you get. Sorry, SN, they asked SN numbers first and second. Now just here broadcast. This is the first SN and this is the second. This is the third. Select only broadcast ones. These are the SN numbers. If you go down means it increases 382. This is the for first question answer. Select only one packet and second packet to your answer. And what are the intervals of time between the transmission of the backend frames to links is 24086 access point from the 30 Munraj ST access point. Hint, this is interval of the time contents of the backend itself. Just go IEEE, here IEEE, here IEEE management, wireless magnet, he asked just time interval. Here you may see timestamp. This is the solution of the second answer. First answer is SN numbers and second answer is you only need to write only one or two, three packet SN numbers in your question, and second answer is here timestamp. And here third is what is the source MAC address on the backend frames from 30 Murray ST. Recall from the figure 7.1 in the text that the source destination and BSS are three addresses used in. Here they are asking MAC address. Here for MAC address, go IEEE.backend frame. Here you may see destination address, transmission address. This is the MAC. A transmitter address means source. My client MAC address. This is 0016B6F7. And hex codes are here you may see 0016. This is the hex codes. And this is the for fourth question. What is the destination MAC address in the backend frame? This is the destination MAC address. You may see here also FFF. This is the destination. While you go down means this is the transmitter address. Both are transmitter address, destination address. And final fifth question. What is the MAC BSS ID on the backend frame? In the same, in this IEEE 80.11, here BSS ID is 00016B6F7 1D51. This is same as our source address. The first answer is SSN number, and second is a timestamp. You may see timestamp. A third solution is source address. Fourth is destination, and fifth is BSS ID. These are the solutions for 5 questions. Thanks for watching. Bye.